Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about the YOLO 3 object detection. So currently we are working on a lot of videos, fruit detection. So a lot of object detector. So you can see the my YouTube channel. So here is the videos. A lot of continuous series code detection. So here is our fruit detection. So assign the tracking. This also YOLO for helmet detection, age detection, and how to monitoring social distance. Also in the YOLO and person detection also. So object detected with image based hand detection and so on. Multiple reports create in YOLO 3. So currently we are discussing about the YOLO 3 implementation. So in real time video base, I have two object, one bottle, second cup. So let's start how to work our algorithm YOLO 3 model, pre-trained model. So this is very simple report. Just run the YOLO.py. First of all, you download it, then you can go to the directory, then run. If you have image, detect the image to you can run this. If you have video analyzing real time, not real time video, and you have one video to convert into the local machine, so in YOLO algorithm you put here. So if you have real time, so you run this command. So here is the result. Here our YouTube channel. So first of all, you can download from here. I have already in my code. So you can see I'm creating also report. So first of all, you can download YOLO wait. This file is not be here, so you can download here. How to download? I will show you. So let's start. Go to your terminal. I have directory of the document YouTube ls cd YOLO 3. So cd YOLO v3. Then use this command bash get model. You have get the model from here. I have already in my directory, so I cannot download it. You can run this command simply. Then go to the main directory of this file. Just run python YOLO.py. Starting interface. You can see my real-time camera work. I have put in notebook 10 cannot show because these working in the coordinates. Bottle and cup accuracy, you can see the 91% accuracy, 98% accuracy. Bottle and this we can see the try the notebook. Let's see it's working or not. So here is not working. Okay, no problem. So go to the code. I have pressed the Q button for pushing my algorithm. Now go to the code. So you can see the code. Here is the libraries. We can also use YOLO utilities.py. You can see this file also. I am already comment down all comments for the functions, classes, libraries. You can see if you have here is a loaded our load model, cocoa, weight, configuration, all things. So here you mention the camera. I have I will show you. Here you put the camera 0 and 1 real for real time. If you have any kind of video or image, you can run this command. We currently we are this project working on the real time. I will show you the result and try it yourself. Any confusion, any uh, kind of help, you comment down, and hope you like it. Please support our channel for more getting informational updates.